Are you having problems with your FordPass app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your FordPass app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says general, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on general in here. Now scroll down a little bit again, and then you're going to click on storage, as you can see. And by the way, if you're using an Android, it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide. Just find storage on your Android as well. And in here, we're just going to scroll down until we can find the Ford app in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down. And then as you can see, FordPass in here. So click on FordPass, then click on Offload app, and then once again click on Offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Because now, as you can see, it says loading. What will happen now is that you will automatically update your FordPass app to the newest version. And when you have done so, then you can go back. When it's done, you can go back into your app, and then hopefully it will now work for you. Because this was able to actually fix my problem for me, and I think that when they do come up with a new update, we need to basically update to be able to make it work, I guess. So try this, and I hope that this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.